Hello, my name is Martin. I'm the co-founder of Tools. Today I'll be unboxing the FireShield Pro extra large document bag. This is perfect if you want to protect multiple items, documents, computers, and so on. Comes with a letter and it comes with an instructions guide. Please read this one. When you receive it, it will look like this, but don't worry, the fire-resistant materials are bendable. So what you have to do is that you open it up, and inside you will find a shoulder strap. You push it open, so push out the sides like this. And the same here. There you go. So you have two departments. You have the first one where you can store credit cards, USB ports, tablets, passports, and so on. And then you have the last department where you can store folders, tablets, computers, and so on. What you do is that you close it up, simply like this. Fold it like this. And there you have it. Then you attach the shoulder strap on the sides. A lot of people are actually using this for work. So if they have a lot of documents that they have to bring along with them, they can easily store it all in this one briefcase and bring it along with them.